Morning, lovely people of the world. We are taking the doggies to the vet. They need their vaccine as well as someone is bitten. The car, let me get it. Alright, are you ready? We are going out to the outside world. Let's go! Just sits here, he doesn't want to move. And Zoila, he wants to get away from Cabezon. In the dogs to the vet.
Because they need their vaccine and they need, and Soila is having some fits of cough.
Zoila, my first doggy is sick. So we are taking them to the vet, both of them. The other day we were walking and a lot of people were taken by Zoila's cuteness, and I was like, what's going on? And then walking, someone just stopped to greet Handy, and I guess there's a dog for everybody because some people like small dogs and some people like big dogs. I prefer big dogs. I prefer big dogs. What dog do you prefer?
Small dog.
Why you?
Have small shit.
Small dog because they have small shit. Oh really? We're at the vet. Guess who's excited to be here? Yes, so.
Qué churro juguetón quieres. Uy, qué juguetón eres.
Sí,
Eres un bebé.
sí.
Entonces, ese es el tipo de ataque.
Que me van a oler los míos ahorita y me van a reclamar.
Viene a checar a la cola y a revisar con la pequeña.
Guau.
No puede respirar y después de unos minutitos se recupera. Pero ayer ha estado de toda la tarde y casi toda la noche. ¿Le han dado antibiótico? No. Tampoco para la mordidita. No, tampoco.
First kilos at 5 months. Hey, Bendy. In the vet, I'm getting bad news. What better way to soothe that pain by having tamales? Tamales, oaqueño. These are the different type of tamales. And the name is mixed tamal, mixed tamal. And my favorite tamales is tamales picante, mucho, muy picante. What are you gonna have?
¿Tienes bebé?
Oh,
Por favor. ¿Cuál es el siguiente picoso?
El de chile morita.
Chile morita, dos chiles morita, por favor. Por favor.
so tamales kind of remind me of blue jaws. But it's corn. You know, it's a lot of work that goes into the corn, and then they wrap it in banana leaf. And they have different types: chocolate, chile, carne, flor de calabaza, frijol, hongos. And yeah, so I love it. The closest thing to home. Yes. Buen día. lunch brunch and leaving the dogs at home. Where are we going?
Nowhere.
We're not going nowhere, so we're just taking in the sun?
Yes.
Okay. We're just walking around, taking in the sun. To nowhere, we're walking from nowhere, and walking from nowhere, we were walking past stores that had display, and I said leather is in season. And what do you think is in season?
Plastic that looks like that.
He said plastic that looks like leather. Plastic that looks like leather is in season. Plantas. Mira, ear plants. My ear plants that had died. Ooh.
Cappuccino chico deslactosado.
¿Perdón?
Cappuccino chico deslactosado para el baño.
Ok, claro.
What? It has been a busy day, and we came back, we did a few stuff around the house, and now we're gonna take the dogs out again for evening walk, and then we're gonna take them to wherever we go to get food, and we will take you along this evening's walk. After taking the dogs for a walk, we have decided to grab something quick to eat.
Pensé que todavía digo, no te voy a decir nada. No te voy a decir nada. Yo voy a decir.
Indeed. Espeso or Morris?